Um, Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Minafal Shaka. Today I'm going to host a quiz competition. On my right side there are two friends. Introduce yourself.
My name is Shai. My name is Ahnazan Ayat. My batch number is KET 135.
On my left side there is two friends.
Hello everyone, this is me Nudra Tapsin Zubeda and my batch number is 145.
Hello everyone, my name is Mehmana Smumi. My batch number is KET 135.
So, dear audience, let's start. First question goes to Team Blue. What did the one cow say in anger? Option A, let's stay together. Option B, I don't need them. Option C, run away. Option D, let's fight.
Option C.
The answer is not correct. The answer is B. The next question goes to Team Red. What happened after the cows argued? Option A, they became stronger. Option B, they separated. Option C, they found more food. Option D, they slept.
Option B, they separated.
The answer is correct. Now the next question goes to Ayat. What did the cows fail to notice? Option A, rain. Option B, danger nearby. Option C, food. Option D, hunters.
Danger nearby.
The answer is correct. Now the next question goes to Team Red. Who took the advantage of cow separation? Option A, hunters. Option B, tigers and lions. And option C, farmers. Option D, wolves.
Option B, tiger and lion.
The answer is correct. So dear audience, the winner is Red Team. Please clap from them. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening us cordially. Bye-bye.